The grey parrot, also known as the African grey parrot, is a fascinating bird. Here are some interesting facts about them. Appearance. Grey parrots are medium-sized birds known for their predominantly grey plumage. They have bright red tail feathers and a striking black beak. Intelligence. They are considered one of the most intelligent bird species and are excellent at mimicking human speech and sounds. They can learn a wide vocabulary and use words in context. Habitat. They are native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, where they live in dense forests and woodland areas. Diet. Grey parrots primarily eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally, leafy matter. They have strong beaks that help them crack open nuts and seeds. Social creatures. These parrots are social birds and often live in flocks. They form strong bonds with their human caregivers and can be very affectionate. Lifespan. In captivity, they can live for 40 to 60 years or even longer, making them a long-term commitment for pet owners. Communication. Besides mimicking speech, they use vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other and their human companions. Endangered status. African grey parrots are considered endangered due to habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect them. Pet ownership. They are popular as pets due to their intelligence and talking abilities. However, they require a lot of attention, mental stimulation, and proper care to thrive. Feather plucking. In captivity, they might exhibit behaviors like feather plucking if they are stressed or not given enough mental stimulation. Legal protection. There are international laws in place, such as CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, to regulate the trade of grey parrots and protect them from exploitation. Grey parrots are amazing creatures known for their intelligence, social nature, and ability to form strong bonds with their human companions. However, it's important to ensure responsible pet ownership and conservation efforts to protect this endangered species in the wild. Please subscribe the channel and ring all notification. Thanks for watching the video.